Hello students, I welcome all. I welcome you all in this video classes of DAV Public School CCL Giridih. Today, I Shashwati Mukherjee is going to discuss with you a topic of solution, some topics of solution. My first topic is azeotrophs or azeotropic mixture. In chapter solution, all of you have studied Raund's law, ideal solution, non-ideal solution. Next, our topic is azeotrophs or azeotropic mixture. Azeotrophs or azeotropic mixture. What is azeotrophs or what is azeotropic mixture? Azeotropic mixture is a mixture of two components which boils at constant temperature. That means in an azeotropic mixture, the concentration of the solution will be same in vapor phase as well as in liquid phase. So what I am telling, what is azeotroph or azeotropic mixture? Azeotrophs are known as constant boiling mixture. What is that? Constant boiling mixture. It boils at a constant temperature. A solution which boils at a constant temperature, that is known as azeotrophs or azeotropic mixture. It has same composition in liquid phase and vapor phase. So what I am telling, what are azeotrophs or azeotropic mixtures? They are constant boiling mixtures. They have same composition in liquid phase as well as in vapor phase. You can take up many examples, mixture of ethanol and water, mixture of nitric acid and water, they form azeotrophs. But the concentration, their composition, at a certain concentration only they form azeotrophs. So I will discuss in detail. Now, azeotrophs are of two types, minimum boiling azeotrophs and maximum boiling azeotrophs. Azeotrophs are of two types, minimum boiling azeotrophs and maximum boiling azeotrophs. Azeotrophs are of two types, minimum boiling azeotrophs and maximum boiling azeotrophs. What type of solution forms minimum boiling azeotrophs and what type of solution forms maximum boiling azeotrophs, that I will discuss. A solution which shows positive deviation from Raund's law, that forms minimum boiling azeotrophs, and a solution which shows negative deviation from Raund's law, that forms maximum boiling azeotrophs. So what I am telling, azeotrophs are constant boiling mixture. They have same composition in vapor phase as well as in liquid phase. Next point, what I am telling, there are two types of azeotrophs. One minimum boiling azeotroph, another maximum boiling azeotrophs. Minimum boiling azeotrophs, which type of solution forms minimum boiling azeotrophs? A solution which shows positive deviation from Raund's law, that forms minimum boiling azeotrophs. And a solution which shows negative deviation from Raoult's law, that forms maximum boiling azeotropics. Now we can take up some example. Mixture of ethanol and water, in which almost 95.5% ethanol is there and 4.5% water. Nearly, if it has the composition like this, then it will form minimum boiling azeotrope. And if you take an example of HNO3 and water, if it is having 68% composition, HNO3 is having 68% and of course water will have 32% composition. If it is having concentration like this, then it will form maximum boiling azeotropes. So I hope the point is clear. What is azeotrope or azeotropic mixture? A mixture which boils at constant temperature, that is known as azeotropes or azeotropic mixture.